What's up, y'all? Shadow Flex in the building. I got a Caustic 3 tutorial today, basically showing you guys how I mix my kicks and my 808's. This is a 2021 version. I got like 2 other versions before that. I noticed that you guys wanted to see a kicks and 808's tutorial as shown on my channel community area. Let's go ahead and get started on the video. First, I'm gonna show you guys what kind of beat that I got. So I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I definitely can. There's a clip at the beginning of each of these. Doesn't mean that the sample is messed up, it's because of the way that the synthesizer is set up. So what we're gonna do is gonna go down here. We're gonna extend each and every note until it touches the tip of the next one. Let's go ahead and fast forward this part. Alright, now that we got all the notes extended, gonna go up here to mode. We're gonna press and hold on that, and we're gonna change this dial over until it hits note on off. And then we're gonna change this polyphony or polyphony, I think it is, anywhere past 1. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Now, what I'm gonna do with the kick is go into the filter section, click the limiter, turn your attack all the way up, turn your release all the way down. Pre-up a little bit, post up to about right there. I'm gonna go into the mixer, press play, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna level it out accordingly. The kick has to be a little bit above the 808. Alright, so let's go ahead and mix that up. That's perfect. From now on, there's going to be a free sound in every single tutorial, podcast, and Beat Critique Friday. So if you haven't yet, go in the description and go ahead and click on that link where it says download link for free preset. If you haven't seen any of the Beat Critique Fridays for Caustic 3, go ahead and check them out up here. They're all on a playlist. And if you haven't seen my last tutorial on how I made a hard beat with the stock sounds from Caustic 3, go ahead and check it out right here. And if you guys need any sounds, go ahead and check out the website. It's sflexbeats.com. I'm going to put up a couple of free packs on there, so go ahead and check it out in the next, I would say in the next hour or so, that free pack is going to be up. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. The link is in the description below as well, right under the free preset download link. Alright, you guys, I'll see you in a couple days.